Hi friends, how are you? Hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome back to our channel Trendset Power of a Common Man. Yeah, today I want to discuss some important point regarding this matte finish to the Himalayan. Yeah, how many of you are thinking to get a matte finish to Himalayan? Though it is a factory built matte finish, that's not at an issue. But in the matte finish also, it will get faded. Definitely, it will get faded. And if you want that wet matte look, I want to demonstrate today a nice video, and you just learn how to do that, and it's a very simple technique to get that matte finish. Um, so I want to introduce this product to get the matte finish. I tried so many products, other products, but I was not at all satisfied, and I am recommending this product especially because it's got a very good result. Moreover, it's a very less price. I will recommend you the less price products only, and we should get ultimate result with the less price product. So I am introducing this. I think so many of you already used this. If you are using, you continue use, or if you are not using, you please buy this Wavex matte finish, and it looks like shampoo water inside, and it smells like that only. But we are getting a best result. You just you pull you revolve this and in the anti-clockwise direction, and you just knob pressing this knob, you can apply on the tank and you just wipe off. That's it, you will get ultimate matte finish, and I will show clearly how to apply. So let's go to the vehicle and apply, and I bought it for around 180 rupees, and it is 290 rupees, but we can get 180 rupees in Amazon. You go and search in Amazon and you can find this product. Friends, let's go to the vehicle and apply it to the vehicle, and we will see the result. Stay tuned. Hi friends, let us keep that Wavex liquid on this, and I completely cleaned my vehicle, and before applying that you must be sure that the vehicle is clean, because there is a chance of if the vehicle is not clean, there is a chance of what you say, some lines on it. So Himalayan is a, I think most of these parts are plastic, and this is the iron one, and we can find here also. So we will apply to this and to this, and mostly the tank is only main attraction of the vehicle, so it should be in wet look. uh, as I said in the earlier video, you see, this is the wet look, so it should also have wet look. Yeah, if you got the wet look on the vehicle, then always the vehicle looks like a new vehicle only. So for that, I have researched so many liquids, but it will gain some what is shining on it. We don't need shining, we need matte look. So I will show what is the result of applying this Wavex liquid, and I will show how to apply. Let's go and do this. Friends, you should take the microfiber towel only for wiping the excess liquid, because you should not. It is better because if you have microfiber, or you take cotton cloth, nothing will be problem. But you should not do with silk cloth, because it will keep the scratches on the tank. So now let's go. And as I showed you, this is the Wavex matte, as I showed you in the starting of this video, and let's press like this. This is the open button, and we will spray like this. We enter the tank, and just after that you just wipe it. Just wipe it. You see the wet look. You can see already the wet look which is coming on the vehicle. You see the wet look, and like that we will do backside also. You just wipe the excess liquid, that's it, the job is done. Very easy, friends. Can do those who are having Himalayans, that too sleet. I think all the colors are I think black also you can do matte finish. And while coming while coming here, we will spray here, and we'll do like this, and we'll wipe this excess liquid. That's it, friends. We will get the wet look on the vehicle. You see the difference in the earlier. You can wash the dust also. That's it. That's it, friends. Like this, you can keep this VVS liquid, and you can get the wet look on the vehicle. So you also try this video at your on your bike. Friends, now I will show the vehicle, how the vehicle looks after the task is done. You see the wet look of the vehicle, and it's look like the brand new vehicle. And you can also try at your try on your vehicle, and you can get this type of look on your vehicle. That's it for the day, friends. I will come back to you with another new video that will help you, and you can do you by yourself at your home. So please, if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, and please encourage so that uh, I will give important tips on we can do by our own, so that I will make so many nice videos. That's it. Signing off. Trendset Power, power of a common man.